Welcome back to the next session of permutations and combinations, sir. We are in the process of doing word building problems. Now, let us see type 2 word building problems with repetition. Look at the problems we have in material. Question number 14. The number of permutation of the word accountant is the number of permutation of the word accountant is. This is my question. Let us see the solution of this. Now, sir, accountant. Now, in accountant, A is repeated twice, C is repeated twice, N is repeated twice, T is repeated twice. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 letters are there. Now, first you treat the letters are distinct. First you treat the letters in the given word are distinct. So 10 letters can be arranged. 10 letters can be arranged in 10 factorial ways. In how many ways we can arrange 10 letters or 10 factorial? But it includes those letters which are starting with A, which is repeated twice. Now, sir, at the first place, which A I am keeping, that doesn't make any difference. So, some words are repeated. Some words are repeated. To avoid the double counting, what will I do? A is repeated 2 times. So, I'll take 2 factorial in the denominator. C is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. N is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. Again, T is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. So 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial whole to the power of 4. Look at the concept once again. Now consider the given word accountant. In the word accountant, A is repeated 2 times, C is repeated 2 times, N is repeated 2 times, T is repeated 2 times. Now when you are arranging the letters of the word accountant, look at the first place, A you have, and A is at 2 places. Which A you are keeping first, which A you are keeping next will not make any difference. It means certain words are double counted. Certain words are double counted. How to eliminate the double counting? For this, look at the process. First, keep all the alike letters of one kind in one bracket, alike letters of another kind in second bracket, alike letters of third kind in another one bracket, and alike letters of fourth kind in another bracket. A is repeated 2 times, C is repeated 2 times, N is repeated 2 times, T is repeated 2 times. This way, repeated letters are separated. Now, treat the letters which are given in the given word are distinct. When I treat the letters in the given word are distinct, 10 letters can be arranged in 10 factorial ways. To avoid the double counting, what I am doing, this 10 factorial is divided by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. What does it mean actually? One letter A is repeated 2 times, so divided by 2 factorial. Another letter C is repeated 2 times, 2 factorial. Another letter N is repeated 2 factorial. Fourth letter T is repeated 2 times, 2 factorial. This way, see, each letter is repeated how many number of times? Factorial of that number is taken in the denominator. This is only to avoid the double counting. So when I do a couple of more problems, this concept will be very clear. Look at the question number 15. the number of permutation of the word engineering. Engineering. Now, sir, first of all, see how many letters are repeated and each one is repeated for how many number of times. How many letters are repeated and each letter is repeated for how many number of times. E is repeated 3 times. So put all the 3 E's in one bracket. Then I is repeated. Put 2 I's at in one bracket. N is repeated. So put 2 N's in one bracket. G also repeated 2 times. So put 2 G's in one bracket. Alike letters of one kind in one bracket. Alike letters of another kind in another bracket. Alike letters of third kind in third bracket. Alike letters of fourth kind in fourth bracket. Now, number of arrangements is equal to. How to think here, sir? If they are distinct letters, then how can I arrange? Simply I'll count how many letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 factorial. If the letters are distinct, 11 distinct letters can be arranged in 11 factorial ways. But there are some letters which are repeated. So to avoid the double counting, what I am doing, this 11 factorial is divided by 3 factorial. Why? E is repeated 3 times. I is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. N is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. G is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. This is equal to 11 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial whole cube. This will give you the number of arrangements after eliminating the double count. Let us see question number 16. The number of arrangements that can be made with the word assassination. Assassination. Now let's see the solution part of this. Assassination. Assassination. In the word assassination, A is repeated 3 times. So all the 3 A's in one bracket. S is repeated 4 times. 4 S's in one bracket. I is repeated 2 times. 2 I's in one bracket. N is repeated 2 times. All these 2 N's are in one bracket. Next. Number of arrangements is equal to. Now, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If 13 distinct letters are given, they can be arranged in 13 factorial ways. When 13 distinct letters are given, they can be arranged in 13 factorial ways. But here, the letters are not distinct. Some of the letters are repeated. Therefore, to avoid the double counting, what will I do? I'll divide this 13 factorial with some value. What is that value? Let us see. A is repeated 3 times, so 3 factorial. S is repeated 4 times, 4 factorial. I is repeated 2 times, 2 factorial. N is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. Answer is what? 13 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial. This is the answer. Okay. Now look at the question number 18. The number of arrangements of the word arrangements of the word Allahabad. Number of arrangements of the word Allahabad. Now in the given word Allahabad, A is repeated 4 times, L is repeated 2 times. So alike letters of one kind in one bracket, alike letters of another kind in the second bracket. Now number of arrangements. Is equal to. Now count the number of letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 letters are there in the given word. If these 9 letters are distinct, they can be arranged in 9 factorial ways. If these 9 letters are distinct, they can be arranged in 9 factorial ways. Out of the 9 letters, one letter is repeated 4 times. So to avoid double counting, it is divided by 4 factorial. Next, one more letter is repeated 2 times, so divided by 2 factorial. So 9 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial is the answer to the given question. 19th question. In how many ways the vowels of the word Allahabad will occupy the even places? Vowels occupy the even places. See the solution. This is word building with repetition, that too with restrictions. Allahabad is the word given. For North Indians it is Allahabad, but for South Indians it is Allahabad. A is repeated 4 times, L is repeated 2 times. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 places are required to arrange 9 letters. Out of these 9 letters, look at this. Out of these 9 places, not letters, 9 places, 4 even places are there, 5 odd places are there. 4 even places are there and 5 odd places are there. What is the restriction imposed in the question? Vowels are always at even places. A is the vowel repeated 4 times. If I treat these as 4 distinct vowels, even though there is only one vowel A which is repeated 4 times, if I treat these as distinct vowels, 4 vowels can be arranged at 4 even places in 4 factorial ways. This is the answer only when I have distinct vowels, when I have distinct vowels, then I can write it as 4 factorial. But the same vowel is repeated 4 times, identical letter. So repetition. To avoid the double counting, it is divided by 4 factorial. Look at this, denominator is always here. Or what will I write in the denominator? I'll see A is repeated how many times? It is repeated 4 times, so 4 factorial is written. This is one way. What does it mean actually? 4 vowels are arranged at 4 even places. 4 vowels are arranged at 4 even places in one way. Reason is the 4 vowels are identical. In fact, there is only one letter which is repeated 4 times. So 4 factorial. So even places arrangement is over. At 5 odd places, 5 consonants can be arranged in 5 factorial by 2 factorial. Why 2 factorial in the denominator? Because one consonant L is repeated. Therefore, it is 5 factorial by 2 factorial. So, required number of arrangements. Required number of arrangements. 1 into 5 factorial by 2 factorial. 120 divided by 260. It depends on the options how it is given. According to that, we will select the option. Next, look at the question number 20. How many arrangements can be made with the letters of the word mathematics? With the letters of the word mathematics. Now look at this solution part of this. In the word mathematics, M is repeated 2 times, A is repeated 2 times, T is repeated 2 times. M is repeated 2 times, A is repeated 2 times, and T is repeated 2 times. Therefore, number of arrangements is equal to 11 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. This 11 factorial means if they are distinct letters, so 11 factorial. Pi divided by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. This is to avoid the double counting. What does it mean actually? M is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. Again, T is repeated 2 times, 2 factorial. And A is repeated 2 times, 2 factorial. This is the answer to the given question. Now see the question number 21. In how many ways of the word so that the vowels occur together. The vowels occur together. The vowels occur together. This is my question. Now, sir, mathematics is the word. Mathematics is the word. In this, M is repeated 2 times. A is repeated 2 times. T is repeated 2 times. Now, this time, what is the condition imposed? Vowels come together or vowels occur together. So, I'll keep vowels in one bracket and I'll write consonants separately. Now it is together, so use 2 brackets. It is together, so use 2 brackets. Treating the 4 vowels as one letter. Treating the 4 vowels as one letter. How many letters I have inside the square bracket? How many letters I have inside the square bracket? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters are there. 8 factorial into, there are 4 vowels inside the small bracket. They can also be arranged. 4 vowels can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. To avoid the double counting, what is required? You have to divide this value. With what? For that, see, each letter is repeated how many times? A is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. M is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. And T is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. Answer is 8 factorial into 4 factorial by 2 factorial whole cube. This is the answer to the given question. This is the answer to the given question. 8 factorial into 4 factorial by 2 factorial whole cube. Now look at the question number 22. In how many ways can the letters of the word see the solution, sir? See the solution for this. See how many letters are repeated. How many letters are repeated? Only 2 letters, A and N. Each one is repeated 2 times. We have 2 letters, A and R. Each one is repeated 2 times. So, number of arrangements is equal to in the numerator, what will I write, sir? 7 factorial. Here 7 factorial means treating the letters of the given word as a distinct. Treating the letters of the given word as a distinct. 7 letters can be arranged among themselves in 7 factorial ways. Divided by. To avoid the double counting, I'll see how many letters are repeated and each one is repeated for how many times. How many letters are repeated and each one is repeated for how many times. A is repeated 2 times, 2 factorial. R is repeated 2 times, 2 factorial. This is the answer to the given question. Okay, let us see the question number 23. In how many ways In how many ways the word arrange be arranged such that two R's come together. Two R's come together. This is my question. It is word building with repetition plus one more restriction. Two R's come together. Whenever it is together, remember two brackets you have to use. In one bracket, you keep all those letters which you want together. In one bracket, you keep all those letters which you want together. Then write the other letters A, N, G, E. And again, two brackets also. One is the square bracket, the other one is the small bracket. Look at the question from square brackets point of view. Look at the question from square brackets point of view. When you are looking the question from square brackets point of view, these two R's are treated as one letter. These two R's are treated as one letter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. 6 letters can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Also, 2 R's can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. 2 R's can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. This is the answer to the given question if the letters in the given word are distinct. Letters in the given word are distinct. But here repetition is there. So to avoid the double counting, this is divided by. With what figure? I'll see the question again. How many letters are repeated? And each one is repeated for how many times? How many letters are repeated? And each one is repeated how many times? R is repeated 2 times. A is repeated 2 times. So divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So this 2 factorial cancel. 6 factorial by 2 factorial. 720 by 2. 360. 360. This is the answer to the given question. Now look at the question number 24. In how many ways the word arrange be arranged such that two R's do not come together. Solution. When two particular objects do not come together, follow this method. What is that, sir? A required number of arrangements is equal to total arrangements minus number of arrangements in which two R's are always together. Two R's are always together. So total number of arrangements already we completed a couple of questions back. It is 7 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. two R's are always together means previous question. 7 factorial means 5040 by 2 into 2 minus 720 by 2. 5040 divided by 4. 1260 minus 360. 900. Answer is given in numbers, so I simplified this. 900 is the answer for the given question. 900 is the answer for the given question. Okay, sir. Now look at the question number 25. In how many ways the word arrange, be arranged such that 2 R's and 2 A's come together. 2 R's and 2 A's come together. This is the question, sir. See the solution. 2 R's and 2 A's come together. This is the word. Keep 2 R's in one bracket, 2 A's in one bracket. I want R's together and A's together. And it does not mean that R and A also come together. They may come in another way also. I'll explain that. R, A, N, comma, G, comma, E. This way they come. R, N, comma, G, comma, A, comma, E. This way. Look at the difference between these two. Here 2 R's are together, 2 A's are together. That is the condition given in the question. Whatever may be the word you are forming, in that word 2 R's always together and 2 A's always together. And I don't want R's and A's together. They may come, they may not come. I don't mind for that. So look at this. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 factorial. 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial. 2 R's 2 factorial. 2 A's 2 factorial. R is identical letters, so divided by 2 factorial. A is identical letter divided by 2 factorial. So this is 5 factorial. Is equal to 120. Is equal to 120. Okay, sir. Thank you for watching this video. Remaining problems in the next video, sir.